Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow glow full guide. Mix tonic water, highlighter ink, and a clear resin or glass bottle, then illuminate with a UV flashlight to reveal bright colors. Start with small tests to find the best ink concentration and layer order. I will guide you through safer materials, lighting tips, and simple blending techniques so you can create stunning glow effects at home. Gather tonic water, water-based highlighter ink, fluorescent paint, a clear container, and a UV flashlight. Wear gloves and ventilate the area when mixing concentrated pigments or resins. Test each material in small amounts to check compatibility and glow intensity. Keep children and pets away from workspace and label containers clearly. These precautions help you enjoy vivid rainbow effects while staying safe and minimizing waste during experimentation and setup. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum cleans autonomously, listens to voice control, and saves time for creative projects like crafting glow effects. It's a fun way to keep your workspace tidy without interrupting experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by layering thin washes of fluorescent inks or paints and allow each layer to dry before adding the next. Position a UV flashlight at varied distances and angles to emphasize specific colors and create depth. For more dispersion, place a small prism or textured film in front of the light to split the glow into a rainbow. I will also show blending tricks and camera settings to capture the glow clearly on video or photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.